Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download your music from Suno to YouTube. In order to do so, here we are at Suno, and if you're unfamiliar with Suno, the first thing you're going to want to do is come here to where it says create, and that should bring you to this page here, and you can see that you have all of the areas you can fill in the information for your song. You can put in the lyrics, you can put in the style of music, you can enter in a title. If you don't want lyrics, then you can just toggle this to instrumental. And also you can keep things even more simple by toggling off that custom button, and you can just enter in a basic description to your song. So like, for example, a salsa song, why not? If you just want to do something that simple, then once you're done, all you have to do is click create, and you then will see your song show up here on the right hand side. You can also find your content in library. Right now, I don't have any credits because I've used them all, but every day you get 50 free credits. So that's one of the nice things about Suno. Let's go ahead and take a look at our examples here. And one of the things that's important to point out about Suno is that oftentimes you're going to get your songs in two parts or even more than two parts. And you can see here this extend button. So what happened here was I created this song first, and then I extended it in order to get part two. And what happens is that sometimes your song is just going to get cut off at the end. And so if that happens, then what you can do is you can click the extend button and it will extend from that point. So let's just take a look at that here. So if I hit extend, then you're going to see now that our song is going to show up here, and then you can see where it says extend from 1 minute. And the reason is because this song is only 1 minute long. So it's going to extend from the end of that minute. So then from there, you get your part two. So there's a couple ways that you can go about this. If you want to just export the audio and then add your own image for YouTube, then you can do that. Let's go ahead and let's take a look here at the download options. And again, so you can export this in MP3 or WAV. And if you have your own image or video that you want to add separately, then what you can do, I've got CapCut here ready to go. So you can go ahead and you can download your music, and then you can put it here in CapCut if you want, and then add your visuals to that as well. And once you're done, you can export that, and then you can upload it to YouTube. Another thing you can do though is if you see here you have download and it says video. So let's go ahead and let's click on video, and you're going to see here that we're going to get that video is going to show up. So let's go ahead and bring that into CapCut. And then we're going to just put that in our timeline, and you can see for yourself that Suno has generated an image here, and that is what you can use for your visual if you wish. Now the results here are really quite simple, and it's only here in this format, so you can't do it in a larger format than that. At least I don't think so. No, you can't. So that's basically the extent of what Suno is going to offer you. But that at least is can get you started if you just want to go with something simple like that. Another thing too to point out is that this song doesn't have any lyrics on it. If your song has lyrics, then your lyrics will actually show up in this video, which is a nice little feature. But let's go ahead and head back here to Suno. So we've got our first part here. So now let's go ahead and get our second part. So we're going to go ahead and click these three little dots again, and we're going to go to download. We're going to go to video, and then we're going to take our part two and we're going to bring that into CapCut. We're just going to stick that here, and we're going to bring it. And there you go. So now we have our completed song. And one thing you might want to do is come here to the middle, and you're going to want to get in as tight as possible, because what you might need to do is you might need to line these up a little bit. There might be a little bit of a gap, and you might hear a bit of a pop or something. So that's kind of up to you to really make sure that those edges are lined up as good as possible. One thing you can do is you can also bring them stagger them like that, right? So you can kind of try to line them up to where it sounds as good as possible and you're not hearing too much of a gap between those. But once that's done, you pretty much have your song ready to go. So all you have to do is you can then just come up and you can export it. Now, again, if you want to add your own visuals, right, all you got to do is do the same thing, but just keep the audio and then have your visuals in there. But once you're done, then you can go ahead and export that. And once you have exported it, then you can bring that into YouTube and upload that to YouTube. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can bring your song from Suno and bring it into YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.